现在天上飞的就是两架那个幻影战斗机，挂着2个坦克车。哇，这个声音！我们看到外面的那个2个飞机马上就过来了。这个
在我们头顶飞过。
会。看，
过来了。
哇！战斗机的轰鸣声，大家听到了没有？有没有感觉手很震？
我有留意到它那个尾巴上的
涂装，还有它的副后箱上都有一个涂装，特别好看。
An interesting. The advantage that this new software gives us, I don't like to think that it now has any more G available. The aircraft is still limited to 9 G, but it's the on-set G and the on-slow 1,000 feet. So coming in from the left, the Swiss F-18 Hornet. Captain Rossier called Vincent, thank you for this safe and impressive presentation on this new, well, pretty new. In extreme conditions and have good short field capability. Provided by the Shuttleworth collection. The Spitfire then one of the fighters flown by Czech pilots in the past. The immediate predecessor of the Czech Air Force Service was roll, quickening the pace, and then slow rolling out. Very nice. Absolutely stunning. That is an incredibly difficult manoeuvre to fly. All of the flight control systems and cleared for landing despite probably a 5-knot tail wind. I think we're looking at a very impressive short-field stop here with no thrust reverse Just very, very powerful brakes. Wow. A very capable aeroplane in all conditions, and beautifully demonstrated once again by the Czech.
So it appears the Chinook's been released slightly late. He's now running out. You'll find him out running some B-axis. For those that aren't familiar, the B-axis is the two big orange pyramids in the centre of the runway. The aircraft will depart all the way from the 6 o'clock out in the distance and run in towards those markers. Flown by the RAF, the Chinooks operated under Joint Helicopter Command in support of all three services and any UK resilience task. It remains in high demand due to its large cabin capacity, carrying up to 40 fully equipped troops with many configuration options, from internal... In the cabin, Ferry Sergeant David Hayward. Dave has been taken down in South Africa and joined the RAF in 2008. Upon completion of his training, he was taken... As the crew now rounds the left, they're going to perform a slightly wider wing over to position the aircraft for a running landing onto the rear two wheels. RFODM is home to 2,200 personnel of all trades, including air traffic, engineering, armourers, logistics, caterers and medical staff, among so many others, all dedicated to supporting our global and national commitments. RFODM and the Chinook Force are all about teamwork. ODIM remains ready to respond to national and global events at a moment's notice, with personnel and aircraft on permanent readiness 365 days a year. Supporting the display aircraft this year, we have a team of excellent engineers, 6 of whom accompany us today. You simply would not have a display without them. So there we go, the two-wheel taxi. This is a skill that's unique to the Chinook helicopter, pulling up to 20 degrees nose up, which enables it to move with reduced downwash while on the ground. Helped by the lack of tail rotor and the unique performance of its tandem rotor design, this is a useful tool to reverse out of a tight parking space. As the crew now prepare to perform their final maneuver, look for the rearwards running takeoff. We'd like you to show your support and appreciation by putting your hands together for the whole team that delivers Chinook. They're the backbone of its continued success on operations at home and overseas. From Boeing and other industry partners to contractors and civil servants, there are a myriad of specialists on the ground who are part of a much larger team that every day deliver. They enable the Chinook and its crew to get airborne in support of the UK's interest through delivering air power. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2018
incorporating the sort of technology that's crucial in training the frontline combat jet pilots of tomorrow. So, very advanced glass cockpits, flying controls that to some extent mirror the sort of operation of those that they'll move on to on types such as the Typhoon and the F-35. So, Warrant Officer Mike Palumbo is here to tell you more.